Hello everyone, welcome once again in the Excel course. My name is Mahavir. In this video we will discuss about data entry, editing and the formatting. Let's open the Excel and we will start using the data entry. As you know that Excel is used to calculate some values. We do the data analysis. So first we will start typing. So first we have to enter the text. So we just select the cell and start typing sales amount, and you can press enter. It will move to the downside cell, and by using the mouse or arrow keys from the keyboard you can select any other cell. So I will select this time by using the mouse, and you can start typing the amount. Let's say it is 10 lakh rupees. Press enter. It will come down to the next cell, and now you have to select another cell and you have to enter target sales, and the targeted sales would be the 20% extra for the previous sales. Press tab this time, and now we have to enter the formula. For entering any formula we have to use equal sign first. Then Excel will understand that we are not entering any value. We are giving instruction to the Excel that you have to do some calculation. So first type equal sign, and you can see all the tools available on the ribbon are grayed out. It means you cannot use it. So for doing any calculation we need some amount or we need some input data. So there are two ways we can enter the data. First one, we can start typing directly over here, or we can give the reference of any cell. So this time we are going to give a reference of a cell. So as you know that our sales has been entered in the D3. So we can type D3 or we can click that particular cell. So I will click using the mouse. Now we can see D3 is coming, which is in the blue color, and the D3 is getting highlighted. It means it is linked right now. So whenever we change any sales amount from there, the amount will be changed automatically in that formula. For doing the multiplication we will use star symbol, and now you can enter the percentage. Let's say I want to calculate 120% for that. So for simply we can multiply it by 1.2 and press enter this time. You can see we got our answer 12 lakh. The above amount is 10 lakh and this is 12 lakh, which is 20% extra from the above. If I select again that sales amount, if I change this amount, let's say I remove 10, it becomes 1 lakh, and press enter, you can see the sales target amount changed automatically. This is the benefit of using the Excel for such calculations. We will do some complex calculations in coming sections. So now if you noticed, we have entered three types of data. First one is text. Which is text? This is the text and this is the text. If I enter any number which becomes the value for do the calculations, are we called numbers. And the third one is formula. So with the text we cannot do any calculation. This is just for display something which we want to. So it is just a text. But if we want to do some calculation, we have to enter the data in number format. And the third one is the formula, which start from using the equal sign, then system do some calculations, mathematical calculations or some other kind of calculations. So these are the only three types of data. We can enter data in the date format and the number format. Let me show you. I entered 1st January 2023. If I press enter, so this becomes the date format. But in actual it is a number. we can see in the date format only, but Excel treat this date in numbers and do the calculation accordingly. If we want to use this date, we can also enter the data in the time format like this, 20 AM, press enter. It becomes the time format, but basically it is a number. If I select this date and go to home tab, come to the numbers grouping and select this option. So now you can see 1st January 2023 is actually a number, but we have changed the format. Just press Ctrl Z to undo the changes, and this time select this time and again come to the home tab, go to number grouping and select journal only. So this is also a number which is in the decimal. So hope you understand. So now we have learned about the data entry. Now we are moving to our next subject, which is modifying cell content, in which we will learn deleting, replacing and editing the data. So let me open the Excel once again. So we have already learned how to enter the data. Now it is time to do the deleting or editing the data. I have already edited our cell. So let me zoom a little bit, double click over here to adjust the width, and this time, so I'm removing this thing. So we can select the cell first and then press delete button to delete everything from the cells. But everything means content only, not the formatting. And what is the meaning of formatting? Formatting means, so first we have to select a particular range or the cell in which we want to do the formatting. So we have to select using the mouse, or we can select using the keyboard. First we have to select first cell, then press shift or right arrow key to select two cells. One is active, second on the right hand side, first cell. Now press the shift key and press down arrow key. It will select the second row. If you press once again the down arrow key, it will select third row and fourth row, so on. But we have to do the formatting for these four cells only. So now you go to the home tab and come to the font, cells bold, italic, and change the color of the font. This is called formatting. We will learn in detail all formatting options. So this is the way we do the formatting. Again, I am selecting the same area using the mouse, and this time I will come to the home tab, font, and I will select this option and I will select all borders. So now we can see the border outside and inside of the cells. Now we have to delete the content. So select the cells you want to delete the content, and this time press delete button, and now we can see only content has been deleted, not the formatting. Press Ctrl Z. It comes back. It is undo now. Now we have some options in the ribbon for deleting the data. So select once again the area, the range of cells you want to delete the content completely, and come to the home tab, and to the extreme right you have option editing. Here we have one tool called clear. Just click on this arrow button. Here we have some options, clear all. This will clear all the data, content and the formatting from the selected cells. Second one is clear format. It will clear the format only. Third is clear content. It will clear the content only, and clear comment and the hyperlinks. So we do not have comment and the hyperlink in our data. So I'm gonna use first the clear content, which we have already done by using the delete key from the keyboard, and it will delete the content and undo. I'm gonna select from here and this time I'm gonna click on clear format. So our content is there, but all formatting gone. So this is used for the clearing the format only. Undo button, and this time I'm gonna use clear all. Now everything is gone from this sheet, that includes content and the formatting. Now again click on undo. Now I'm gonna tell you how you will use the alt shortcut, which I already explained in the first video, which is my favorite to do the work. First we have to select the cell, then press alt, we got H, then we got E, and then A. So let me repeat once again. So what will be the sequence? It will be alt H E A. So you have to remember this. So every time whenever you want to clear the content, so instead of going to home tab, then go to the editing, select the tool. Right now it looks a little difficult, but when you do the practice, you will remember. It increase your productivity. So now we will learn how to do the editing of the content we have already entered in the cell. So we have some data, we have text and the number and the formula. So we have to select the cell first, and there are two ways to do the editing. So first we have to select the cell we want to do the editing. So once we select the cell, we can see the same value in the formula bar, and we can change the value in the formula bar. So you can select, or you just click on the last and then press backspace, and you can enter the new figures and press enter. As soon as you press enter, all values will be changed in the formula as well. So if you want to do the editing in the cell, you have to double click, and now you can click between the digits and you can do the changes you want. Backspace, press enter, that's all. And the third one is you press F2. F2 is the shortcut key to do the editing in the cell, active cell only. So press F2, and now you can move the cursor using the arrow keys, and you can do the changes you want. Press enter, and you can see the changes. So this is the way you do the editing. You can also do the editing in the formula. You have to double click, or you select the cell and you can change anything in the formula bar. So now we are moving to our next topic, which is the autofill option. It is a very good option for entering the data using the autofill in the Excel. So let me open the Excel once again. I will insert one more sheet by clicking over here, and now I want to enter the name of the month from here. So I will enter January and then February, and if I select this one, once I select these two cells, I can see one option is coming over here. So you have to select this option. You can see some icon is coming at the right bottom. So you just hover the mouse, you can see the plus sign. Now you have to left click and press that left button of the mouse, and you have to drag downside. So now you can see month name is coming automatically, and you can easily get all the name of the month in the cell. Double click on the line between the D and E column. It will auto adjust the width of the column according to the text in the cell. You can also autofill Sunday and Monday, like Sunday, Monday, and you have to select the cells option and you have to drag, so up to Sunday like this. So you can enter like 1, 2 and select this one and drag, you will get this series. So Excel has so many options. So Excel takes the difference of the two amounts and it will increase the amount by 100, and after that you have some options for autofill. Click over here to get some other options like copy the cell, fill series, fill format only, fill without formatting, or the flash fill. I will explain this option in coming videos in depth, your own, or you can do the replacement of any text automatically in the Excel. That I will explain in the coming videos. Now we are moving to our next topic, which is introduction of the number formatting. Let me open the Excel first. So number formatting is to display the numbers in different formats available in the Excel. First we will discuss about the available default formats. So you have to select a cell or a range of cell to do the formatting. So after the selection, just come to the home tab and come to the number grouping, and top of that you have some options. Like if you want to change it to the accounting number format, select this option and you have to click on this arrow button to get more options. So it will convert these numbers into the currency. Currency of INR is coming automatically. Formatting is also available like USD, UK pound, Euro, Chinese yen, CHF French. So some more currencies are available. If you click on this more accounting formats, all formats will come. So you have to select accounting and you have to select the symbol. It will come automatically. So all countries currency symbol are available. So now we have to cancel this one because I don't want to change it. On the right hand side of this option we have a percentage. If you click over there, so it will convert into the percentage and it will increase by the 100 automatically because it's in percentage right now. So click Alt Control Z to undo, or you can click over here, and after that I have one more option in comma style. So we just click over here to get it in the comma style. So on decimal places we will get it. If you want to increase or decrease the decimal places, you have to click these options. So increase decimal, or this is for decrease the decimal places. So like that you can use it. Now let me show you the way to use Alt shortcuts. Press Alt H and now we can see some options. AN to select the currency, P for percentage, K for comma style, 0 or 9 for increase or decrease the decimal places. If we want to more options, we have to click on the N button. And now select Alt down arrow key to see the all options. So you can select any options from the available tools. So now I want to convert this to the date. So we have to select and press enter. So it converts into the date. So do undo. So it is very easy. Alt H N and Alt down arrow key. Select the option you want to change. Enter. Now this number is converted into the text. You cannot do any calculation with the text. You have to convert the text into the numbers, then only you can do the. So we will do these conversions in details in the coming videos. So that's all in this video. We will come up with the next video with more options of the Excel. Thank you friends for watching my video. Please come back again.